So the next tool is our Black Swan. It's an often overlooked tool, this is. First things first, your hand is covering most of the detail you're trying to strike. Secondly, put it on there. As we go to strike, we generally set the tool up. When we strike, the tool gets angled down. So as we strike, it skips off. Also, if we're working on a roof or a side panel, bedside, something like that, of a van, there's a lot of reverberation, a lot of bounce within that panel. So this is where this tool comes in. We can pop the cap off. This is just to protect the brass under here. You could leave that on if you wanted, but I find there's a little air pocket in the top here, so I prefer to straight onto the brass. So what we can do now is we can set the height of our tap down right to exactly where we want, and using this little thumb wheel here we can lock that in. I can now have my hand over here. I know I'm perfectly straight onto my panel, so I can sit and I can tap. So this is able to bounce should I wish, or if I'm working on that roof or that side panel where I have that reverberation, I can actually tote the tool up, so I can just put a bit of weight on the arm of the tool to take that bounce out. Okay, so I can either sit here, have another bounce, or choke it up, but it gets my hand clear of the knockdown. So a really, really good but often overlooked tool.